In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure area in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to outline any space and see its size in just a few clicks. Start on your computer and open Google Maps in your web browser. Give the map a second to load so everything's crisp and clear. It helps to center the location you want to measure on your screen, so you're not fighting the map while you work. Next, find the exact spot where you want your measurement to begin. This could be a corner of a field, the edge of a parking lot, or the first point along a property line. Right-click directly on that starting point. A small menu will appear beside your cursor. From that menu, click Measure Distance. This activates Google Maps measuring tool and drops your first point. You'll see a small marker and a measurement panel begin to show at the bottom of the screen. Now, click around the edges of the area you want to measure. Think of it like tracing the outline of the space with straight line segments between each click. For the most accurate result, add more points along curves or irregular boundaries, placing them closer together where the shape bends. If you're working near tight corners or narrow features, zooming in can make precise clicking much easier. Take your time and keep the points on the true boundary. As you go, you'll see a shape forming and the measurements updating. When you reach the end, close the shape by clicking back on the original starting point. This is important. Closing the loop tells Google Maps you're measuring an enclosed area, not just a distance. As soon as you click the starting point again, the shape fills in slightly to confirm it's closed. Finally, look to the panel at the bottom of the map. You'll see the total area displayed there, typically in square meters and square kilometers, or in square feet and square miles, depending on your settings. You may also see the total perimeter distance, which can be handy for planning boundaries or fencing. If something looks off, retrace your outline and make sure every click hugs the true edge of the space. That's it. Open Google Maps on your PC, right-click your starting point, choose Measure Distance. Click around the edges to trace the boundary, close the shape by returning to your start, and read the total area at the bottom. With this simple workflow, measuring land, lots, and outdoor spaces becomes quick, clear, and accurate.